Hello friends, this very delicious creamy salad recipe is the best dessert snack you want to go for to enjoy yourself without adding calories. You know how some desserts can be filled with a lot of calories. This is so good to have fun, put nutrients into your system, and this is so nice. You want to eat this over and over. So very quickly, let's make it. Yeah, so in order to come up with this recipe, the first thing you need is apple. Yeah, apples are so nice, crunchy, contains a lot of vitamins and minerals you put into your system, but get fun eating the beautiful fruit. This tastes so good and so nice. Yeah, it contains vitamin C, contains vitamin E, a lot of nutrients for the proper functioning of your system, antioxidants as well. I love me some apples. Your heart loves apples. So this is the first. You want your desserts or snacks healthy, and this is a very healthy option. So you basically just want to slice into your desired sizes. I go for these shapes, so you can scoop and have fun. Very crunchy and yummy. Now the next thing I add is strawberries. I go for healthy desserts like this because you want to be careful what you put into your system. Strawberries, they contain a lot of antioxidants to help your system function properly. Very good at boosting your metabolism, so that makes it so healthy. Plus it contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. So you want to get some strawberries, like 6 to 8 of them, and slice up into your desired shape. So I go for the square shapes as I did with the apple, and yeah, so this is it. Plus very yummy. Eating this will nourish your system without adding bad calories. You know how some other kinds of desserts can contain a lot of calories. This is a very healthy one for you, a healthy snack. If you're looking for something healthy to enjoy yourself with your family, this is so good. Yeah, so slice up and you're good. So voila, this is our strawberry. And yeah, so you set that aside. The next fruit I add is cantaloupe. If you don't have it, you can use papaya. So they are still depending on you, your fruits of your choice. So fruits and vegetables are all good. They have a lot of benefits, and so I don't go for fruits that are smoochy because I just want something crunchy, and that is why I choose hard options like this. So you know but if you don't have this, you can substitute with papaya. That will still make everything taste so nice. And yeah, so you want to get and use half of it, peel, wash thoroughly, and slice up into the shapes you want. This equally contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. That is where you get a lot of vitamins and minerals from your fruits and vegetables. So this is to help you consume your fruit, a variety of fruits, and get all the nutrients from different kinds of fruits. That is the benefit of eating fruit salad like this. So you get the different benefits from the different kinds of fruits because they all contain different kinds of benefits. So yeah, that is it. Once in a while, this is something you want to give yourself a treat. Do this at least twice a week. Do a fruit salad recipe like this, and trust me, you'll be nourishing your system with a lot of nutrients. Your kids, your husband, your friends, like this is so healthy. So you want to slice this and yeah, and set that aside. So now the next thing I add is this. I add in these berries. These are very good. Red grapes, sorry. I did the berry already, the strawberry. These are red grapes. This is what is used to make red wine. And red wine is heart healthy. That is because this fruit contains resveratrol, which is very good for longevity, for good health. It helps you live healthy and live longer. That is a very powerful antioxidant. So just imagine eating this. That is how you load your system with the right nutrients. Yeah, so this is fun, but trust me, the benefits from eating this is way more than just the fun you get. Like having to eat this very yummy dish is not just for having fun, but the benefits are a lot. This is optional. If you don't have mango, that is fine. The other fruits are just enough. But I just want to, when I want to give myself a treat at least 2 times a week, this is what I do to give myself a treat. So I nourish my system with different nutrients from fruits. Yeah, that is how your system functions properly, because you feed your system with the right nutrients. So yeah, so this is mango. You want to slice up. It contains vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C. What mango is one of the richest fruits you can ever think of. It is tropical, so it might be out of season. If you don't have it, that is fine. You can skip. But the other fruits are just way enough for this recipe, because they contain the same nutrients you can find in a mango. Just that I just want everything rich and so yummy, and so now this is my salad bowl. You want to go ahead and put in your ingredients in your salad bowl. That is the apple, one apple sliced. You put in your salad bowl. The next you add the cantaloupe. You sliced half of it. The next thing you want to add is your strawberry, and that is the sliced mango. And now you want to add in your grapes, your red sliced grapes. Yeah, so the next thing I want to add is cream. So you can use yogurt or sour cream, they are all the same. So just a cup of yogurt or sour cream. This is good source of probiotic, very good probiotic your system needs. And then I add in some uh, coconut flakes. It makes it taste so yummy, and a little bit of honey. So that is coconut flakes, either yogurt or sour cream. That is the dressing. So I don't want it wet and smoochy. I just want it like this way. So everything is just crunchy, and like this is so nice. You see the consistency. It is not wet. It is just like a very good dessert snack you can have throughout the day, which will nourish your system with a lot of nutrients for proper health. Like sour cream or yogurt, very good source of probiotic your system needs. You know the benefits of probiotics for your system to function properly. This is so healthy with less calories and very yummy to help you live a very healthy life. A very good snack or dessert alternative you want to go for if you're looking to live healthy and avoid all those bad desserts with a lot of calories. This is the best option you want to go for. Try this, come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.